Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to check a Pokemon's IV in Pokemon GO. To check a Pokemon's IVs or individual values, first of all, go ahead and launch the Pokemon GO app on your mobile device, whether it is Android or iOS. From the main map screen, tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom center of your screen to open the menu. Now, click on Pokemon option. Choose the Pokemon you want to check from your Pokemon collection. After you open that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner after selecting the Pokemon. Tap on Appraise. Your team leader Blanche, Candela or Spark will appear and begin evaluating your Pokemon. The appraisal will show three bars: attack, defense, and HP. If all the bars are full and glowing red, it is a 100% IV Pokemon. The higher the bars, the better the stats. That's how you check your Pokemon's IVs in Pokemon GO. Now you'll know which Pokemon are worth powering up and which ones are better to trade or transfer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.